Hey, you guys, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Take a look at the Laura. So, the Laura is an all new, beautiful place. Just is opening recently, and it's in the new East River District. It's a very upcoming, going to be very, very popular area. It's east of downtown, so it's Edo. But it is quiet. It's nice over here, and there's all sorts of development coming very, very soon. And this is what the kitchen looks like. Isn't this just gorgeous? Look at this. Really nice ceilings here too, like Olympic ceilings. It's a gorgeous feel in here, and the amount of windows is just amazing. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, give me a call. Send me a text actually at the number below. Does anybody call anymore? I do occasionally, but I love text better. So send me a text, but you're free to call too. And my number is below. And just say, hey, Grant, I want to get more information about that Laura and about the pricing availability. And I'll get you all the specials as well that are available at the Laura. So can't wait to hear from you. Send me a text, and I'll get you more information about how to be in this beautiful place.